New Mexico tenants do not have a repair and deduct right. Every generic template assumes they do, and that assumption is simply wrong here. Welcome to tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. Under the Uniform Owner-Resident Relations Act, a New Mexico tenant may not deduct repair costs from rent. They must issue a 7-day notice instead. The rest of the act is equally specific. Non-payment gets a 3-day notice. A lease violation gets 7 days. Termination takes 30 days. Entry requires 24 hours notice, with an emergency exception. Deposits earn passbook interest and must be returned within 30 days with an account of deductions. A late fee ceiling of 10% applies only if you wrote it into the lease. New Mexico also has a parallel mobile home park regime and bilingual official notices, and no commercial page addresses either. The state courts publish 43 official forms with almost no explanation. Our free New Mexico Landlord Forms Hub is the union nobody has built, with the repair and deduct point stated plainly. At tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com, we run credit, criminal, and eviction reports same day, no monthly fees. Get your free New Mexico forms and screen your next tenant at tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com.